Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and आज हम ये look create करने जा रहे हैं with all the products under 500 rupees। तो अगर आपको जानना है कि कौन से products मैंने इस्तेमाल करके ये look पूरा create किया है, do keep on watching। And for primer I have today the Lotus Pro Edit primer। ये बहुत ज़्यादा bright हो गया है कैमरे में, ये दिख नहीं रहा है, but I'm gonna put the link in the description। So this is for 525, but Nykaa पे ये अभी on sale है। So do check that out। This is a very good primer। बिल्कुल ही silky smooth कर देता है skin को। I use this primer for my beautiful models, whoever comes to shoot with me। So this is a very good budget primer that I use on everybody, like all of my models। I'm in love with the Maybelline Fit Me range, and you will see a lot of products today from the Fit Me range, because it's pocket friendly, and second, these products are really amazing। I have been using them जब मैं college में थी, and अभी तक now I'm like a professional makeup artist। Still I really like go for Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me range। So I am in real love with these products। So yeah, these are amazing। इसका जो 30 ml ये जो bottle है, this is for 549 rupees, and इसका एक 18 ml product भी आता है। It comes in a tube which is for 299 rupees। So you can definitely check both of these out। I really love this product is because it gives a medium coverage, medium to light coverage, and it's very beautiful। It says it's a matte product, but it is not। It is gives a very dewy kind of finish। तो इसका finish बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है मुझको। Now moving on to the concealer, I'm again using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer। This is in the shade 20 Sand, and this is also very pocket friendly। This is only for 475 rupees। So बहुत ज़्यादा pocket friendly है, बहुत ही अच्छा product है। So I'm just blending the product to my face with the help of a blending brush, and इसको हम eyes में भी लगा रहे हैं ताकि जो भी pigmentation है around the eyes वो सारा ढक जाए। I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend everything very nicely। It's time to powder my face, and for powder I'm again gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact। This is for 480 rupees। Like you can see, मैं almost पैन टच ही कर गई हूँ, एंड बस ये ख़त्म होने वाला है। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन अ प्रोडक्ट लाइक ऐसे ख़त्म होता है। इसको देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट पूरा यूज़ किया है। सो मूविंग ऑन फ्रॉम द पाउडर फ्रॉम द बेस टू द आईज, एंड फॉर दैट आई एम गोना स्टार्ट विथ माई ब्राउज फर्स्ट। एंड ब्राउज करने के लिए आई हैव द यूरोप गर्ल 3D Sculpt eyebrow palette। This is a very good palette I received from my academy, and this is a very nice palette। Got 3 different shades and it is only for 400 rupees, and बहुत ही अच्छा पिगमेंटेशन है इसका, एंड बहुत ही अच्छे प्रोडक्ट है। तो बहुत ही why am I fumbling? So बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है। You can definitely try it out if you are interested in a drugstore good brow product। You can definitely see this। Also there is one more product that I am in love with, is this Etude House eyebrow pencil। This is for 260 rupees, available in Nykaa। Etude House is a Korean brand and is very famous for its products, and this is one of my favorite product। I'm gonna put the link इसका भी in the description box, though I'm not using this product today। आज सिर्फ पाउडर करेंगे, but क्योंकि मेरा favorite product है under like pocket friendly product, so I'm gonna put the link in the description also for you to see, and if you would like to buy it। And this is in this shade 01 dark brown, best for Indian skin। I'm just gonna take my brush and dip it in the middle shade, which is a dark brown shade, and I'm gonna start doing my brows. Alright, now that my both eyebrows are done, it's time for me to start with my eyeshadow. And for that I have a very special eyeshadow, which is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow. This is Coloricon eyeshadow. This does have like these four different, though I have broken this four different shadows in it, and it gives like, you can create a very beautiful nude kind of look with this. So yeah, this product is for $2.99. Can you imagine this Wet n Wild eyeshadow? This is pretty good. Like if you are entry level makeup lover, you can definitely try this out. Alright, so for the first color, I'm gonna take this very nude kind of shade, and I'm gonna apply it to the eyelid. Then I'm gonna moving on to the crease shade, which is the pink shade. In here I'm just gonna change my brush, and I'm gonna take a tapered kind of brush so that the shade just goes onto the eyelid very nicely. Alright, and then I'm gonna moving on to the brown shade right here. It's a dark brown shade. These shades are not very pigmented, but it is really pretty if you are just trying it out and you know you're an entry level makeup lover. This is perfect. Alright, so now that my eyeshadow is complete, like the upper part, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my lower part of my eyes. So I'm just taking that same brush, and I'm gonna take the dark shadow, like the brown from the palette, and I'm gonna just put that under my waterline. Alright, now this is done. I'm gonna start with my eyeliner, and for that I have the beautiful Faces Canada Ultimate Pro eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliner. This is in mini. This is a matte eyeliner, and this is only for 399 rupees. Can you guys imagine? This is like one stroke and you're done. I've been using this for my past videos also, and I am totally in love with this. So I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Do not forget to check it. Now that my eyeliner is also set, it's time to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. पहले तो curl कर लेते हैं. मेरा curler ये रहा, and I'm just gonna look a little down, put my curler in place, and gonna curl my lash. Now for mascara, again I'm using the Maybelline Colossal mascara. The price of this mascara is 399 rupees, and it does the work very nicely. This is not a waterproof mascara, but this will do. So for lashes today, I have selected the lash that I am not a too fan of. This is Nykaa Lash Talk. This is Turn Up the Drama. These are the lashes I'm gonna show you. Wait. So this is how the lashes looks like, and it's quite kind of like, let me just, alright, so these are the lashes. So it's kind of a very basic lashes, not too long, but this will do. Alright, now my lashes are also in place. आज ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं दी मुझे इसने, and अच्छे से लग गया. But इससे पहले जितनी बार भी मैंने नायका के lashes यूज़ करे हैं, somehow या तो they just don't stick, or otherwise they just don't look nice. So but आज के look के लिए, I think, like I said, it's a low makeup look, so it was looking nice. It is actually looking nice, not bad. I tried to find out a nice contour for, like a nice contour or a bronzer for my look today under 500, but to be honest मेरे को कुछ मिला नहीं under 500 जो कि अच्छा कोई product हो. तो I'm not gonna do the contour of the bronzer today, so I'm moving on to the blush. And for blush today, I'm gonna use the Sugar. This is Contour Day Force Mini Blush. This is in the shade 04 Salmon Superstar. This is for 349, and this is really good. Can I use it to the nose also? just to create a kind of a nose contoured look. Let me know in the comment section below if you know any good bronzer under 500 rupees, and I will definitely try that out for you guys. Now it's time for the highlighter, and this is one of my favorite highlighter because this does the work amazingly and it gives a beautiful glow, but it's pocket friendly. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. Yes, and this is for 399 rupees, and this is to die for. I'll show you why I'm saying this. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, just gonna take it and just see the magic. Oh my god, can you see this? This is one of my favorite. Look at that glow. Instantly glow it is giving. Only 399 rupees. Can you imagine this? I'm gonna post the link in the description box. I'm also gonna put this highlighter onto my brow bone and to the inner corner of my eyes, like this. Okay, now that the highlighter is in place, I'm gonna start with my lips, and for that I have two different products which I'm gonna use. The first one is the Nykaa So Matte lipstick, and the second one is Nykaa lip gloss, which is in the shade Honey Boo. This lipstick is one of my favorite because this is a perfect shade of nude. This is Cinnamon Crunch. It's in the shade 50M, and the mini lipstick is for 199 rupees, and the larger size of this lipstick is for 399 rupees only. And look at this shade. I'm gonna show you how beautiful is this, right? Look at this. This is like a perfect shade. I'm gonna fill my lips with this, and then I'm gonna start putting the Honey Boo lip gloss on top of it. Today I hope you like the video as well as the look that I have created. अगर आपको पसंद आया, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. आपके लाइक्स बहुत important है मेरे लिए, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस मेक करते हैं. Also do not forget to follow me on my social media handles. सब चीज़ों के डिटेल्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हैं. एंड हाँ, अगर आप लोग मुझे बुक करना चाहते हैं अपने ब्राइडल के लिए, आप डेफिनेटली वो मुझे बुक कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भी I am also working. So all of the details are mentioned below. If you want to learn from me how I create what my tips and tricks of my makeup, you can definitely do so by filling out the form which is there in the description box. सब कुछ description box में है. Please go ahead, check that out and fill that up. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye and be safe.